Hey guys, I am just trying to get the house ready because I'm doing the girls' night. I've been talking about this for a couple of weeks. Finally doing the girls' night, feeling good. I'm so excited. The only thing, just really weird in that hair, is that I feel like I'm cleaning my house and then my kids are making messes right behind me. No. Okay, you guys need to sit up to the bar, okay? Because I'm gonna cover this table. I'm gonna cover my table here with some, I think just like wrapping paper that I have. It's white. I ain't got really good. And I have another like a plastic table upstairs. Plastic, rubber, or like you know, one of those foldable tables upstairs that I'm gonna bring down. It already has paper on it, but it has paint all over it. So I'm just gonna cover that one also. And I think we'll be good. I think we'll have enough room for everyone. These two have been playing outside in the snow. They made another snowman because it snowed last night.
And then I destroyed it.
And then you destroyed it?
Me too.
You too?
We had a snowball fight.
Let Rosie in. I got a few more decorations up. Oh look.
I love the light.
There's a little light. Just don't touch it or it will fall over. It's just balancing in there for now because turns out that candlestick holders don't actually hold candlesticks. I don't know if anyone else has noticed that, but I'm like, wait a second. It doesn't hold, they don't hold any of the candles that I have, which is very unfortunate. But I also have witches' hats outside hanging. I showed those a couple vlogs ago. And I also just hung up some candles out there. No, I want it just like this because that needs to be washed. Okay, let's show them the candles out here. So cute. I love these candles. I just found these candles on Amazon.
Look, guys.
We need to
Look what I did.
move the ladder. Oh yeah, look, we got some more cobwebs.
Hey guys,
Okay, let's see. Moment of
that's
truth.
the
If
skeleton.
these work. Yeah? Oh, only one turned on. On. Oh, yay. On. Yay. They're working. Let's see if I get that. These will be great as long as it doesn't, like as long as the wind doesn't blow, because some of my witches' hats have already blown over. We have a little skeleton friend out here.
Jack the skeleton.
Jack the skeleton. Okay, don't mess with it. Rosie, come on. Okay, let's go in. I was so excited to decorate for Halloween, and then it just seemed like time went by so fast. And now it's here. No, it's the dishwasher. And I haven't done everything that I wanted to do, but that looks pretty cute. You guys, shut the door. Come on. I'm gonna finish cleaning, and then I'll show you the situation that's happening in here and the cute little crafts. We're actually decorated for Halloween, but we're making Christmas crafts because that's, you know, that makes sense for right now, you know. Well, the house is as clean as it's gonna be, but this looks really great, right? Just covered it with some wrapping paper. My table is trashed, honestly, so if anything gets on there, not that big of a deal, but I didn't want anyone to worry about it, you know. I've never done a craft night like this. It's like my dream to do craft nights like this all the time, but I haven't actually ever done anything like this, so hopefully it goes well. Here are some fun things that I made. I found this file on Etsy, which is so cute. I cut the little village first and then realized that the material I used for the little village, it was longer than the sign, so I need to help like sand down those edges if they want it to match up. Oopsies. Learning as I go. This is also a file that I found on Etsy that's so adorable. And this was a sign that I saw, so I made it, and then I also saw a file like this on Etsy that would have been a lot easier, but I made it instead. This is also a file that I found on Etsy, and it's so cute. It says comfort and joy. Very cute. Oh, I made that too. Thank you for your help, Rayleigh. I could not have done this without you. And then also these little trees. So they'll paint them. They're all different, and then they have a little stand. They're pretty adorable. I'm gonna make some of these actually. I thought that these would be really cute, really big too if you wanted to put them outside. Pretty adorable. There we go. Got it all. Hopefully it goes well. What is happening right now?
I'm trying to match all these.
Oh, let's see that sweatshirt. Winston just thinks this is the coolest sweatshirt ever. He's been nervous to wear it to school because he thought he might get in trouble, but he did today, and he didn't get in trouble. What else did you do today?
Did my speech festival.
Speech festival. Winston had to recite a poem.
My poem is your best. If you always try your best, then you never have to wonder about what you could have done if you summoned all your thunder. And if your best was not as good as you hoped it would be, you could still say, I gave today all that I had to be.
You did an excellent job. I'm so proud of you. That's really brave. That takes a lot of courage to do stuff like that. Well done, sir. Give me a high five. Nicely done.
As a
And now, it's a weekend. It's a weekend. Winston has a birthday party. And then it's gonna be Halloween. We're gonna go and get Gage a Halloween costume. He's the last one.
Going as a male stripper.
Gage? Why all of a sudden did Gage turn into a perp?
Watch.
Is that just normal for the teenage boys? I don't know. I don't like them a bit. Huh?
What's that song?
Absolutely not.
Absolutely, yes.
Absolutely not. Okay, are we all ready to go? It's cold, so now like every time we go somewhere and we're gonna do something, it's just like,
Come on, beanie.
oh, it's cold.
Oh yeah, this is
Gage
how you
stole
do
my
it.
beanie, so I don't have a
Stole
beanie.
a lot of people's beanies. I stole Dad's. I stole yours. I stole a bunch of Brayley's.
Brayley's. I stole all the Brayley's. Okay. Layla, I see a problem. Here.
Okay.
Your shoes are on the wrong feet. Your feet are gonna be
Should I
shaped the wrong way.
Should I change them right now in
Yes,
the
you
middle?
should. Let's change them.
Can I get
No.
I want
Maybe for
it.
Christmas you can ask Santa. Come on. Everything the kids ask for, I say you can ask Santa Claus. That's my favorite thing about this time of year is everything they want. I'm like, ask Santa.
Mom, are these on
Makes
the
it real
wrong
easy to say no. Also, I
Are
was
these
telling
on the wrong
Layla,
feet?
she puts her shoes on the wrong feet.
these on
Every
the
single
wrong
time.
feet
Every single time. No, that's correct. Good job. Every single time she puts shoes on, they're on the wrong feet. Every single time. I was just telling her feet are going to start shaping the wrong way. Especially these little heels, they have to hurt, right? She's like, no, they don't. She can't even tell. Well, that's exactly what they are.
I don't have one.
They don't roll like it is.
Then,
They have a hammer holder.
then wear the ones that you had on today.
Those are black.
That's fine.
I'm not.
I told them that I would get them a little surprise at the store if they were good and stay downstairs. Last night when I did my girls' night, Winston got four of this, and we're gonna open them. We're gonna show you what's inside. Whoa, we're gonna do a little unboxing. Layla got bubblegum. You can't make it so thin.
Oh.
Okay, Gage is also getting his Halloween costume on. We will show you that shortly.
I got the suit done.
We still have like just a little DIY project. Goodness.
You ready?
Let's everyone sit down and take a deep breath, okay? Maybe I just need that, I don't know, but I feel like we all do.
Okay.
Okay,
You guys ready?
I'm so ready.
Okay.
Don't step on toes here.
Dude, if someone stepped on my toe, not even feel it.
Won't even feel it.
Still toe.
Okay, guys. Here. What up?
What about this?
Guys.
That's good.
You guys ready? It is.
Tweedledee or Tweedledum. It's Tweedledee
Wait, how is it that guy?
because his finger's pointing that way. See his finger? I mean, these are the cutest things ever.
He's
That's why they're
rare.
called adorables.
He's a rare.
Oh, he is?
Yeah.
Nice. From Hercules.
Okay. One that kisses the frog.
Aw, Princess Tiana. We love Princess Tiana. When we go to Disneyland, hands down favorite princess, Princess Tiana.
She's
She's the best princess at Disneyland. Oh, she's so cute.
I want her. This is Leo Ultra Way. Wait, no, the best one is limited edition. Pimpin'.
Put your vest on.
Yeah!
Who?
Yes, yes,
Sully?
yes!
Is that Sully?
Yes, Sully.
What is that?
Oh, and
yes,
he's a common.
Oh, he is, but it's so cool to get him.
He's so cute. I wanted him so bad.
Oh, good.
Thunder. Okay.
Cinderella.
Well, I'm gonna put
Oh,
this in.
good bubble. That's a good one.
I was waiting for that.
Please don't get that in your hair, okay? When blowing bubbles, you need to be very careful with the hair
Okay, guys.
around your face so your bubbles don't pop and get into it. Wreck-It Ralph? Nice.
Ralph?
When we lived in California, we got to go to, what's that theater called? It's a really,
Nice one.
do you remember the theater we went to? What is it? Why can't I think of it? I think it's where they have award shows and stuff, but we got to go and watch Wreck-It Ralph there when we lived in California. Huh?
There's no upstairs.
And now, Gage is kind of like Wreck-It Ralph.
Okay, guys, do you want me to show you all of them? First, we got.
You have to do it faster.
First, we got Wreck-It Ralph.
Meg.
Meg.
You can't go so close.
Oh, Meg from Hercules, huh?
Yeah.
Sully.
Sully.
Copyrighted.
Sully.
There he is.
Twinkie D.
Tweedledee. That's from
Tweedledee.
Alice in Wonderland. Tweedledee and Tweedledum.
Focus on it.
Focus
Camera.
on it. There we go. Gage.
And then.
Is that what's really happening?
God.
On the dance floor.
What's that?
Come out from the heat.
Guys. Princess Tiana.
Oh my gosh. I kind of like it white. I kind of like the hard hat white. We bought spray paint, but I kind of like it white.
Guys.
I think I would kind of like it better if you had a shirt on.
I think.
Oh, whoa. We need to make that so you go down all the stairs. Have you ever done that before?
No.
Sorry, did you have one more bun?
No, I.
Was that all? Oh, and we showed the rest though. Yeah.
Princess Tiana.
Tiana. Okay.
Okay, my favorite has to be Guys.
Sully.
Guys.
Gosh, look at this.
Come on, guys. Come with me.
Okay. I mean, it's cute, Gage, but
Dude, if you go to the gym, you gotta show it off.
I just don't feel like, aren't you 8 years old? I don't know about that.
Are you going to?
It is cute though. You do look really cute if you had a shirt on.
Go.
I can't even show you the inappropriateness that's happening. Oh my gosh.
I love you guys. And look what else I got today.
Dude, just wait.
Okay, go to the top, Layla.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. My favorite is.
You did some work for Casey. Earn
three.
some. Make sure to
Red.
Hold on.
What?
Oh my gosh, no.
No.
Well,
That's just.
oh yeah, there you go. You got it at the end.
Okay.
Want to try again?
What?
Winston,
What?
is that your roll? Layla, is that your roll?
No.
Whose roll? Okay.
Gravy. 1, 2, 3.
There you go. Good. Really good.
Don't stop.
Nice.
Can I try Layla?
Oh no.
What?
It's the hammer. He handed a hammer. I was like, I don't think they're gonna allow. Please don't do that. I know you'll hit the wall. Gage. Let me give you an example of why I know that you'll hit the walls.
Take it from me. And
Yeah, right. It's definitely from lacrosse sticks.
definitely from my chin.
I mean, just everything. Just Gage. Just all of these lacrosse sticks. Heaven help me with teenagers. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how it just happens so fast. I just don't know. I can do this.
These are the 2 favorite toys I got
So
today.
excited about toys. Yeah, awesome. But that